As Aston Martin looks towards the future with new investments and a changing industry, the brand will focus on their new mid-engine products and becoming sort of a British Ferrari. To pave the way for their mid-engine range, the Valkyrie halo car is setting the benchmark for all future Aston supercars. The Valhalla, though, is the one to look at, as its ground-up new twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain will spread across the Aston lineup. The Valhalla, meaning son of Valkyrie, is the more tame hypercar from Aston Martin, though it's still limited with 500 being made. But the best part of all is that Aston Martin is developing their own first in-house, all-new engine since 1968. This new hybrid twin-turbo V6 will replace the AMG-sourced V8 and other Aston Martin products soon, as AMG is moving towards hybrid 4 cylinders and downsizing their engine. The Valhalla will be the first product to get this new engine, which will be a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 paired to a hybrid system, making around 1,000 horsepower specifically in the Valhalla. This engine will also power the upcoming Vanquish supercar and will make its way into the DBX, DB11, Vantage, and future Aston Martin product. The all-new engine weighs under 441 pounds and features a dry sump oil system and a hot V layout where the two turbos are placed within the V of the engine. Why are they doing this? Well, to bring pride to the brand and because they don't want a hybrid 4-cylinder AMG engine anywhere near a road-going Aston Martin product. Again, Aston Martin's new V6 hybrid will be an integral part of the brand's future. For more news and info, make sure to follow Allcarnews on Instagram, and thanks for watching.